Hello Witblox makers! Welcome to a new series Coding with WitPro, where we will learn how to use our WitPro Blox. In the previous video, we saw how to install the WitPro software. In this video, we will learn how to connect our WitPro to the computer. As we know, whatever we code on the WitPro software will control the WitPro board. So, we need to set the communication of our computer to the WitPro board. To connect, we need the WitPro board and a micro USB cable. First, we will connect the WitPro board to our computer. On our computer, we will open the WitPro software. For this demo, we shall send a template blink code to the WitPro board. Once uploaded, we will be able to see the onboard LED on the WitPro board blink. For this, we will go to Templates and Blink. To upload the code, we need to choose the correct board and the correct COM port. Here, we are using the WitPro board. We can also choose Arduino for our projects. In the COM port, first we click on Refresh. The right port is the one which shows up only when we connect the WitPro board to our computer. Next, we go to Actions and Upload Code to Board. Once uploaded, we get a Operation Successful message. Now, the LED on the WitPro board starts blinking, which indicates successful completion of our experiment. In the next part, we shall see how to make connections on the WitPro board.